Hi guys, today we'll be looking at another keyboard from a company called LTC. This is the LTC Nimbleback NB981 mechanical keyboard. And boy, this is one hefty keyboard. I weighed this box and it weighs more than 1 kilogram. And I think I know why this keyboard weighs that much. It's because one of the features of this keyboard is that it boasts of its 4000 milliamperes battery, so you have more battery time on the go. So why don't we go ahead and unbox this keyboard. So here we have our Nimbleback NB981 keyboard. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so right out the box, we can see our keyboard. This is a 95-96% keyboard, a 98 key layout of keyboard. So this is our keyboard. Nice colored blue one. You also have another color, the green one, but I prefer this one over the green one actually. So this one is a really nice keyboard. Let's put this aside for now. Let's see what we have at the box. We have our user manual. What else do we have here? At the bottom. Okay, so we have our USB-C cable, either USB-C or a USB-A. That's cool. And we also have our additional Lakeview linear switches and our keycap puller. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this first and look at the keyboard. Okay, so here we have our keyboard. Yeah, this is a bit heavy. No, it's more than 1 kilograms, but as we look at the design, it's quite nice design. So it also has legs at the back. It has conveniently placed here our 2.4 dongle for usage. And yep, this is plastic. This is not a metal case, so really the weight of this is from the 4000 milliamperes battery. So we also have our on and off switch here at the side. Okay, so this keyboard is quite massive. No, been a long time since I used almost a full size keyboard, but this one feels nice. This one feels nice at the hand, and we will do a typing test later on for this keyboard. So this keyboard, as I mentioned, is a 98 key layout keyboard. So it has 3 layer silicone padding and 3 modes of connection. Bluetooth, which you can connect 3 different devices simultaneously. And you have the 2.4 dongle. And of course, the wired connection right over here. So as I mentioned earlier, this keyboard is a 98 key layout keyboard with the 3 layer silicone padding. So this will be quite, yeah, it is quite soft and quiet when you type on it. So very good for office works or even public places when you want to use a keyboard. So this keyboard is also hot swappable, so you can change any of the keys and the keycaps in itself. So as you can see here, so easy to remove the keycaps and the switches in itself as well if you want to change it to another type of switch. So again, this is the Lakeview blue switch, linear switch, so it's quite a quiet type of switch, not on your talky, not on your creamy side, but more on the quiet side of the typing profile. So this keyboard also has the 4000 milliamperes battery that I mentioned earlier. That's why it's quite heavy. So you shouldn't worry about having very little battery when you go traveling with this keyboard. It also has oil resistant PBT keycaps, and of course with that means that you will less worry about all the smudges, oils, and even fading of the keys in itself. So all the switches and all the stabilizers are well lubed from the factory, so you don't even need to worry about that if that is something that you are not familiar with or don't know really what to do on lubing all your stabilizers or your switches. And it also has a powerful software support where you can download from their website, enabling key remapping or macro assignments. So now let's go ahead and do a typing test on this keyboard. So what do I think about this keyboard, the Nimbleback NB981 keyboard? Well, it is a very sturdy and well-made keyboard, I might say. And the colors is very bright and very good as well. And it comes in two colors. One is this blue color one, and the other one is a green colored one, depending on your choice. It also has been a really long time since I used almost fully 100% keyboard, so it might getting used to. And with its Lakeview linear switches, it is very quiet, and I think most of you guys who will be using this maybe in an environment where there are other people, I think this one will be a very good choice. And the fact that this keyboard has 4000 milliamperes of battery means you have longer time of using this as a 2.4 connected or Bluetooth connected keyboard, and you can use this on the go. Although with the weight of it, I don't think it will do well in travel that much, but at least you have that option. And you have longer battery life with this keyboard. And with this keyboard having three types of connection mode, one for wired, another for the 2.4 dongle, and for Bluetooth, actually you can connect 3 devices simultaneously, and you can switch with each devices with just a combination of buttons. So what do you guys think about the Nimbleback NB981 mechanical keyboard from LTC? Comment down in the comment section below. And if you are interested in this keyboard, I will leave the link in the description below as well. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't yet, why don't you subscribe to our channel and maybe watch more of our videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!